Aloha, this is Ryan Staub, founder of Moana Glass, and today I'd like to talk with you about my tropical rain vessels. Tropical rain vessels are inspired by Hawaii's weather and all of the beautiful colors that weather creates in nature. The shape is reminiscent of a raindrop, and the colors are a combination of different things that are mixed together, twisted together, and make up a very complex and difficult color pattern. The piece is actually 3 bubbles of glass that are put together. Typically, I will use a 4-color overlay on the main bubble. So I take 4 different rods of highly concentrated colored glass, melt them together, put them over a bubble, smear it over the top, twist that whole thing up, and blow it out. There's another layer that I put on top of there where I stuff the bubble in water that has baking soda in it, and the baking soda deposits on the surface so that when I gather on it, it creates a layer of bubbles. I also use a random wrap of white. So with these, you can see that there are clear windows in either side, and those windows are actually parts that are made first. They're very small bubbles that I use to cap the ends of the bubble. So when you start off, the bubble is rotating on the same axis as the pipe, but with a tropical rain vessel, I have to drill it with a piece of superheated tungsten and open up another hole in it, put another blowpipe on there, break it off of the original spot, and that's how I change my rotational axis. From there, I gather clear glass over the piece, usually gather on it twice, and drop that out, blow it up into the shape, flatten it with corks, and you can see the cork puts off a lot of smoke. There's a lot of fire in my face when I'm doing it, so it's a pretty dramatic move doing the flattening. And then from there, flatten the bottom, connect another iron to it, and transfer it to this other iron. It's called a punty. And from there, I can work the lip and fire polish that lip and make that side of it perfect. I have quite a few tropical rain vessels on Moana Glass, so make sure you go to the website and check us out. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and share. If there's anything else you want to see me talk about, please let me know.